What is up, guys? Check it out, man. It is frozen nightmare out here. Everything is froze. Look at this, guys, the TrapBlazer. It's been sitting back here since about the 23rd of December. I've started it twice. I haven't driven it since, and I don't know, today's like 21st of January, so ooh, batteries are still good. At least they're not completely dead. So we're gonna start this thing up, guys. We're gonna try it out. The last Blazer I had, it was cold like this. I didn't start it forever. Went out, started it up. That was the end of it, guys. So let's see what happens here. Let's check this out.
Knock, knock, niggas. You fucking with me, right? Knock it off, man. For real, after all the motherfucking work I put in, man.
Ooh, yeah, here we go, guys. It's damn cold out here, too. Look at this, piled up in snow. Hasn't been started. That's where I took the trash out from, behind Trap Shack. Look at this, it has been started. It's so bad. Oh, man. Let's check it out, guys. It started. Man, you can hear the secondary air injection system whistle and make noise. That pump was shut off in a second. It puts warm air into the catalytic converters. I suppose we, ooh, damn, the gas light's on. Imagine that. We're gonna turn the heat on here and let it defrost once. Might as well let it run for a minute, guys. Ooh, snow falling off. Damn, guys, it's covered out here. Just waiting for spring to thaw it out and get to it, guys. And you know it'll be on, and we'll be back to it. Damn, she cold-blooded, isn't it? I'm pretty sure that'll settle down here in a minute. I'm pretty sure it's a secondary air injection system on this thing. It's putting warm air, but I think it's only supposed to run for like 30 seconds, so who knows what the hell that noise is. It's an old Chevy truck. I'm sure it's gonna make some, but we'll be back, guys, in a little bit and see how it does once it warms up. All right, guys, we're back. Check it out back there. It did quiet down quite a bit. It's been probably 10 minutes, 15 minutes or so. You see it hasn't even really melted all the snow off the hood yet. It hasn't been running very long, but it quieted right down. This thing does seem to run pretty good for me, so hopefully it turns out real good. You know, it's not a perfect truck, it's a Chevy truck, but we're gonna put the boom in it and do it up and light it up, and we're gonna have a lot of fun with this thing, hopefully, guys. So, you know, it's a cheap truck, threw some wheels on it, threw some sounds in it, lights, and you know, we're just gonna see what happens. One day maybe we'll have something real nice to put on. That's what we're going for, guys. So make sure you get in there, like, share, subscribe, help us out, guys. We're gonna build some cool vehicles when the time is right and we're able to, but for now, this is what we got, guys, and we're still gonna have a blast with it. So let's go check it out for a minute. Look at this, guys. Freaking frozen everywhere. I shoveled my front stairs. We don't really use the back ones. The dog, he goes down them, but we don't really use them, so I didn't bother. It's cold out here. Trap Shack's frozen up. I haven't been inside there in weeks. I don't even know what kind of frozen nightmares in there. The Equinox, it's sitting here. Check this out, guys. I bet you the tire's flat on this thing. All these skinnies held up real good. I want to go do some donuts in this, maybe. Let's see if we can get a light on. Ooh, we sure can. All right, let's check it out. I bet you this tire's flat. Oh yeah, check it out. Damn, I know it's gonna be flat. I'll have to pump that up. But the good thing is, guys, if you can see, it's only flat at the bottom. The top's not flat, so I'll jack it up, I'll rotate the tire and put the round side at the bottom, and we should be good to roll. And that flat part we'll just put up top. That way we don't got to change the tire that way. We'll just turn it so the flat spot's at the top of the wheel. We'll just ride on the bottom. I hope nobody believes that. I hope everybody understands it's a joke. Man, this thing's not gonna wanna move. Look, icicles just hanging from it in these skinnies. Lord knows what the air pressure in them is right now. Let's see if we can see in here, guys. Ooh, the subs are in. Oh, you can't see. All you can see is the glare. Let's see. There we go. You can see the EQ going. All the lights are good. Let's check it out inside. I think I had the heat on. Yeah, I sure did. Woohoo! Let's see if we can get the dome light on. Oh, where's the dome light button? Yeah, not too bad, guys. It says it's 12 degrees out here. It feels like negative 12 probably, but it's good, guys. It's rolling. Just waiting for spring, guys. Waiting for spring. Projects are coming. Yeah, it's warmed up a little bit. I should probably put some gas in it. I think the check engine light is something to do with the secondary air, so we'll look into that in the spring, guys. You know, we put the lights in here and the underglow. We put a little bit of the sound back here, you can see, and you know, we'll finish up on that stuff. That was just something quick to get us going before all this crap came. So in case I want to sit out here and TikTok live stream or do whatever, you know, we got a little bit of light, a little bit of something. We're not just sitting plain old factory. But that's what it is, guys. We're just frozen, waiting in the frozen nightmare, guys, to get back to it, and hopefully to be soon. So until then, me and the TrapBlazer, we'll see you guys in the next one. Keep on trapping, try not to freeze.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.